Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Yogesh Ashok Kanade. In today's video, we are going to study how to select the animals for experimental use in pharmacology. ज्यावेळेस आपण एखाद्या ड्रगचा इफेक्ट ॲनिमलवर स्टडी करतो तर त्या ड्रगसाठी कोणता स्पेसिफिक ॲनिमल स्टडी करायचा, कोणता स्पेसिफिक ॲनिमल तुम्ही चॉईस करणार. Because depending upon the type of the action the drug is going to produce, you have to select the animal. For example, if you want to do the study of adrenaline, then I can study it on frog heart, whether it increases heart rate, force of contraction, tone, etc. That can be studied. Similar way, if you are performing a pyrogen test that is related with your parental preparations, then I have to use a rapid. In today's video, we are going to study about the specifications of various animals which are used in pharmacology. First animal, that is your frog. It is a common animal which is known to human beings, and it has been used from a long time in physiology, pharmacology and toxicology. Frog, it is easily available in rainy season. It is a amphibian animal. Amphibian animal means it can live in water as well as it can live on land also. Frog, it is very easy to handle, it is a cheap one, and it is easily available. On which parts, that is isolated parts of frog can be used? Heart, rectus abdominis muscle. These are the two isolated parts of frog on which you can do the study of drugs. फ्रॉग का है एकदम कॉमनली नोन एनिमल है which is used in physiology. It is known to human beings from a longer period. I can say that we know frog for more than 200 years. It is an amphibian animal. It is easily available in rainy season and it is the safest animal to handle. The study of drugs can be carried out on isolated part such as rectus abdominis muscle, isolated frog heart, etc. मग आपण ह्या दोघं पार्ट्सवर कोणते कोणते ड्रग स्टडी करू शकतो? We can do the study of drugs acting on central nervous system, drugs acting on neuromuscular junction like adrenaline, acetylcholine, noradrenaline, etc. We can do the study of retinal toxicity of drugs, etc. Means drugs acting on CNS, neuromuscular junction, retinal toxicity of drugs can be studied on frog. Then the next animal, that is rat. Rat, it is small in size when I compare with other animals. Now if the size of the animal is small, I will require a small dose of the drug, or drug will be required in small quantities. Specification of rat: vomiting center, gallbladder and tonsils are absent. Rat मध्ये vomiting center absent है, gallbladder absent है and tonsils are also absent. Now in human beings the vomiting center is present. If I give you a bitter drug by oral route, and what will happen? जर मी एखादा bitter drug जर human beings ला oral route ने दिलं तर काय होईल? A person will have vomiting. Now in case of rat, the vomiting center is absent. Therefore the plus point is, or the advantage is, drug can be administered by oral route. Now second one, gallbladder is absence. Therefore, I can easily do the study of drugs like cholesterol reabsorption, or I can do the study of drugs which are acting on biles. कारण गॉल ब्लॅडर जर ऍबसेंट आहे त्याच्यामुळे बाईलचा फ्लो काय असेल, देयर विल बी कंटिन्युअस फ्लो ऑफ बाईल इनटू द इंटेस्टाइन. This facilitates the study of drugs acting on bile, cholesterol reabsorption, etc. आता रॅटच्या कोणत्या पार्ट्स वर तुम्ही स्टडी करू शकता? You can do the study on ureters, stomach, vas deferens, fundus strip, heart, etc. By doing the dissection, I am going to isolate the parts like ureters, stomach, vas deferens, fundus strip, heart, etc. कोणत्या ड्रगचं स्टडी करू शकतो? Psychopharmacological studies, study of analgesic and anticonvulsants, study of drugs acting on blood pressure, study of drugs acting on liver, study of or bioassay of various hormones such as insulin, oxytocin, vasopressin, etc. This study can be carried out on rat. Rat मध्ये काय आहे? Small in size है, therefore the dose required will be in small quantity. Vomiting center is absent, therefore I can administer the drug by oral route. Gallbladder is absent, therefore it is going to facilitate the study of drugs which are acting on bile and cholesterol reabsorption, etc. Isolated tissue preparation of rats are ureters, stomach, fundus strip, heart, etc. On rat, I can carry out psychopharmacological studies, study of analgesic anticonvulsants, bioassay of various hormones such as insulin, oxytocin, vasopressin. Now, bioassay means what? Whenever you are evaluating a drug, drugs are evaluated by 4 methods: physical method, chemical method, mechanical method, and third one, that is biological method. Physical means by observation. What is the taste, color, odor, etc. That is known as physical verification. Chemical assay. तुम्ही chemistry 1 मध्ये मागच्या वर्षी assay चे practical केले, that is titrations. That is also one method of evaluation of drug. Chemical test, identification test, that is one method. Mechanical method, by use of instruments. By use of instruments, when you are evaluating a drug, that is known as mechanical method. Biological method means when you are using the animals. Therefore, it is known as bioassay of hormones like insulin, oxytocin, vasopressin can be studied on rat. This is your second animal. Third animal, that is guinea pig. Guinea pig is a docile animal. It is highly susceptible to tuberculosis and anaphylaxis. It is highly sensitive to histamine and penicillin. In diet, it requires vitamin C or ascorbic acid. Drugs which can be studied are evaluation of bronchodilators, anaphylactic and immunological studies, study of histamine and antihistamines, bioassay of digitalis, evaluation of local anesthetics, etc. This can be studied on guinea pig. Guinea pig experimental uses काय आहेत? You can do the evaluation of bronchodilators, anaphylactic and immunological studies, study of histamine and antihistamines, bioassay of digitalis, evaluation of local anesthetics, etc. This can be with the help of your guinea pig. Next one, that is mouse. Generally, Swiss albino mice is used in pharmacology practicals. They are small in size, drug required will be small in quantity, it is easy to handle, it is easily available, and it is also cheap in price. What are the experimental uses? Toxicological studies, specifically acute and subacute toxicity, bioassay of insulin, screening of analgesic and anticonvulsants, screening of chemotherapeutic agents, studies related with genetics, cancer research, AIDS, etc., drugs acting on central nervous system. These are the experimental uses of mouse. माउसवर तुम्ही काय काय स्टडी करू शकता? You can do the study of bioassay of insulin. You can do the screening of analgesic drugs, anticonvulsants, hypnotics and sedatives, chemotherapeutic drugs, drugs acting on central nervous system. You can do the study of genetics. Then you can do the study of cancer, AIDS. You can do the toxicological studies with the help of mouse. Next one, that is rabbit. Rabbit is also a docile animal. It is generally white, that is New Zealand white rabbits are preferred for pharmacology practicals. Rabbit is having one specification, that is there is a presence of atropine esterase enzyme in rabbit's liver. Therefore, it can tolerate larger doses of belladonna. Now, what is the role of atropine esterase? Atropine esterase is responsible for metabolism of belladonna. That is the specification of rabbit. It can be used for pyrogen testing, bioassay of anti-diabetics, sex hormones, study of mydriatic and meiotic drugs, study of local anesthetics. Isolated parts of rabbit like heart, duodenum, ileum or the intact animal can be used for experimental purposes. Here I have tried to show you the parameters of every animal related with body weight, lifespan, body temperature, etc. Now the first one, that is frog. What is the body weight of frog? That is, it can vary from 500 to 1000 gram. Lifespan, frog can live minimum 4 years, maximum 15 years. Normal body temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. Rat body weight 200 to 300 grams. Lifespan, that is number of years it can survive, that is 2 to 3 years. Normal body temperature, that is 37.5 degrees Celsius. Guinea pig 600 to 800 grams. Lifespan, that is 2 years. Normal body temperature 38.3 degrees Celsius. Mouse body weight 25 to 30 gram. Lifespan 1 to 2 years. Normal body temperature, that is 37.4 degrees Celsius. Rabbit body weight 2000 to 3000 grams, that is 2 to 3 kg. Lifespan, that is 4 to 5 years, and normal body temperature, that is 38.3 degrees Celsius. These are the various parameters of animals, that is frog, rat, guinea pig, mouse and rabbit. There are a number of other animals also which are used in pharmacology, but for your syllabus you have the study of only these 5 animals, that is frog, rat, guinea pig, mouse and rabbit. Thank you.